Well, welcome to week 9. On tap for this week, putting it all together, how fiscal and monetary policy work, and how they interact with our aggregate supply and demand model. I sent an email announcement, but I want to remind you that from now till the end of the quarter, which is just this week and next week, I will be hosting lectures, optional, on Mondays and Wednesdays from 2 to 4 p.m. on our Zoom link that's always been up in Canvas. Okay, so here's how it's going to work. We're finishing up 15 and getting into 17 this week. So on Monday, I will cover 15, on Wednesday, 17. The first hour, I'll lecture on material that I think is the most important or most problematic for students. And then about an hour in, we'll do Q&A for any material. And at the last half hour, we'll talk current events. So come for all, part, or none of it. Up to you. Many of you really liked the Robert Reich Inequality for All. Here's the other documentary we're watching for the quarter. It's called Inside Job, and it's about how the financial crisis happened. And most importantly for us at this point, how does it interact with the banking system? How does the banking system interact with the real economy? And how did policy help us get out of it? Fun trivia question. Fun would be in quotes there. Anybody know what this is? Not the banana, but the other thing. And I've just gotten an email from the Writing Center, and they have support and some really good tutors, it sounds like, for our class, and it's free. So there's the information. I'm also sending the PDF attachment to the email. We are heading into the final stretch. So our final exam will be Monday of finals week from 1 to 4. It is cumulative. It will be pretty much the same format as the other midterms where we all log into Zoom, etc. And especially for those of you really worried about your grades or feeling like you've fallen behind too far, do not be. There's plenty of support for you, especially in the last 2 weeks. And the lowest midterm will be dropped. I'm sharing that new information. But don't forget, the final is cumulative, so you still do want to go over any problems and questions you have on this exam. It's very important. And speaking of stress and de-stress, this Wednesday and next Wednesday during office hours, we'll be doing a dance party for the first 20 minutes and then from 5 to 5:20. Join if you like, come dressed up if you like, but come and de-stress and have some fun. The answer? It's called a flower frog. You put it at the bottom of a vase and it helps you organize the stems of the flowers. Okay, have a great week.